Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, AI Learn with Usman. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest and most mind-blowing technologies in the world of AI, Generative Adversarial Networks, or as the pros call them, GANs. Ever wondered how AI can create hyper-realistic images, design futuristic car wheels, or even help catch financial fraud? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how GANs work but also see some jaw-dropping real-world examples that'll make you say, wait, AI did that? Let's get into it. Alright, let's break it down. Their job? To create a painting so realistic that it looks like a famous masterpiece. But here's the twist. There's another player in the game. The Discriminator, an art expert whose job is to spot the difference between the real painting and the forgery. The generator creates a painting, and the discriminator evaluates it, giving feedback like, nope, that shadow looks fake, or, the colors are off. The generator takes that feedback, improves, and tries again. This back and forth continues until, bam! The generator creates a painting so realistic that even the discriminator can't tell it's fake. That's essentially how GANs work. It's a game of forgery, where two AI models, the generator and the discriminator, compete against each other to create and refine data until it's indistinguishable from the real thing. Now, let's talk about how this plays out in the real world. GANs don't just create pretty pictures, they're used in some seriously impressive ways. Here are 3 mind-blowing examples. Example 1. Audi's wheel designs. First up, Audi. Yes, the car company. Audi trained their own GANs to generate inspiration for their wheel designs. The AI created tons of unique, never-before-seen designs, giving Audi's designers a treasure trove of ideas to work with. But here's the key, AI didn't design the final wheels. It was just a tool to spark creativity. Think of it like a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. Pretty cool, right? Example 2. Beko's AI-generated film. Next, let's talk about Beko, a European appliance brand. They used custom-trained GANs to create the world's first brand-funded AI film. The film features breathtaking transitions between humans and nature. Think leaves turning into eyes, roots morphing into lightning, and flowers blending seamlessly into human forms. GANs have this incredible ability to create smooth, almost magical transitions, and Beko's film is a perfect example of how AI can push the boundaries of art and storytelling. Example 3. Financial fraud detection. Finally, let's get serious for a moment. GANs are also being used to fight financial fraud. How? By generating synthetic versions of fraudulent transactions. These synthetic transactions are then used to train fraud detection models, making them smarter and better at spotting real fraud. It's like giving the good guys a cheat sheet to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. And the best part? The same AI model that's designing car wheels and creating stunning visual effects is also helping protect your bank account. Talk about versatility. Section 3. Why GANs are a game changer. So, why are GANs such a big deal? It's all about their versatility. The same technology can be used in completely different fields, from designing cars and creating art to fighting financial fraud. GANs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and we're only scratching the surface of their potential. Who knows what they'll create next? Maybe the next big breakthrough in medicine, fashion, or even space exploration, and that's a wrap on GANs. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of AI and tech. Let me know in the comments, what's the most surprising use of AI you've seen so far? And if you could use GANs to create anything, what would it be? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay learning and discovering.